Welcome back. Let's talk to Ronnie Chopra. He's an author at Wall Street Wires. Morning to you, Ronnie.
Good morning.
The Nifty, let's take a look at the Nifty. Now, this is the Indian index.
That's right. So,
in terms of the market cap, is this quite a liquid market?
it's a liquid market. It's the Indian market has grown somewhat in the last few years. It's had a tremendous rally over the last 6 to 8 months. It's one of the best performing markets.
Right. Is it still an emerging market, would you say?
That's the thing. I think it still is an emerging market, and that's why my concerns are for an emerging market to be on a price-earnings ratio of around 20 is a little overstretched. And I think there's a little bit of overconfidence in the Indian market.
Right.
Because not everything is hunky-dory. We've had banks that have major bad loan problems. Just last week, the State Bank of India announced massive bad loans, so they've got a large provision that needs to be kept for these bad loans. And that did result in the market slipping somewhat. They're off about 4 or 5% from their all-time high.
Right.
But I still think that amongst the being an emerging market, there are compliance and regulatory concerns. You know, there's not that scrutiny that we have in the UK or in the US. So with the shares that having had a tremendous run, I think there's room for profit taking, which we have seen in the last week or so with the correction last week.
And can I trade this market in terms of the spread betting firms?
Yes, it's very liquid. Apparently, it's one of the most liquid indices.
Right.
It's like on the popular lists of some of them, I think.
Okay. Well, I've traded everything in my career, but I've never traded the Nifty.
But then again, it's only probably in the last 3 or 4 years that it's become popular in the UK. It's certainly very volatile, so it's risky. But I mean, it's gone up a lot, but it can easily come down quite a lot as well.
Okay, so for choice, you're taking profits on this index?
I'd be taking profits and looking to go long on some of the other major indices like the DAX and the Nikkei that are on price-earnings ratios of 12 or 13. So it doesn't make sense.
Sounds like a pairs trade to me.
Another one.
Ronnie, thank you very much indeed.